we'll guide you through how to review Zapier effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zapier website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Task History section, which you can find by clicking on the Task History tab on the left side of the dashboard. This is where all your recent Zaps and their statuses are displayed. You can see if they were successful or if any errors occurred. Click on a specific task to get more details. You'll see information like the time it was triggered, the data that was used, and any errors if something went wrong. This is really helpful for troubleshooting. If you want to dive deeper, there's an option to replay the task. Just look for the replay button on the task's detail page. This allows you to run the task again, which is super useful if you've made corrections or just want to test things out. To review how a particular Zap is set up, go back to the dashboard and click on Zaps at the top. Select the Zap you want to review. Here, you can see the trigger and actions you have set up. If you need to make changes, just click on the Edit button. You can tweak the settings, adjust filters, or add steps to make it work just right for you. Remember, reviewing your Zaps regularly can help you catch issues early and ensure everything runs smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.